Hi everyone, this is a video about this Sony Walkman, and the model number is a little bit strange, this one. It says WM-BF605 or it says AF605 at the back of this unit. This unit, it comes with some accessories. This is supposed to be brand new, but unfortunately, because it was in a storage, is not working, and I explain to you what is wrong with this. And this item comes with battery charger, rechargeable battery case, carrying case, a stereo headphone. But most of these items, they are not included in this package because they have been lost, and the only thing that we have is the battery charger and the rechargeable battery and the item itself. The rest of them is not included in this. So this item comes in this box, presumably with a plastic sort of cover for this area to show you the Walkman, and this is all that there is. At the back it tells you what it does and what it doesn't. You can read it at your leisure. This is just because this item doesn't work. It's just a matter of show and tell, and I'm telling you what we are getting in this. In this item is just we have, and I'm not sure if this one was coming with all of those accessories. We put this one on the side. How they have managed to put everything in there, because the headphone of this is one of those that it goes over the head, very tiny one that it goes inside the ear like that, not like that. So this is the charger of the battery. You can just read it if you want. It's 1.2 volts at 250 milliamp hour, and is in relatively good condition, is brand new. And the item itself, I just put this aside because there is nothing else in there, and I show you this item. This item is immaculate from outside and is really in excellent condition, and it hasn't been tampered with or opened or tried to fix. Everything is in excellent condition, and you can have a look at this and you can see the quality, the battery compartment, everything is fantastically done. But unfortunately, this item's motor has been seized, or if not, as you know, this item is it has loads of capacitors inside, and all of those, they have to be changed, and the belt, most of them, the belt has been deteriorated and it has to be changed. And the radio, it works, but unfortunately it just works in one channel, so it means definitely the capacitors has to be changed, and there are at least, I think there are 15 or 20 capacitors in there. If I have an image, I'm going to show you. And this model number, let me just make it to focus. This model number, it has a very strange way to put the belt on, and I show you the pictures, and you most probably are going to agree with me that this item is really strange. And all of these, they are mechanical, they are not somehow logic transport or any of that sense. And this is the auto reverse, and this is the switch for auto reverse. All of them, they are mechanical, and this is the eject button, and the eject is like that. Let me just make it to focus. If I think here in this way you can see much better. And it says it has amorphous head, EX or X amorphous head, and it has a battery for the memory of the radio. And to be honest, it's such a shame that this one is suffering from all of these capacitors problem that I told you about. And as you see, there is not a single scratch or dent on this unit. Is really such a shame that someone has to change all of those and the capacitors and the belts and clean it up. So this item, unfortunately, I cannot demonstrate to you how it works and how it sounds, but I'm going to show you a picture of the belt. And if you see here the belt, this is the motor, and these are the capstans, and this is the middle rail, and this one is the side rail, and it comes to here, goes round there, and then comes round here and goes round there and then up here. So many people, they don't know that this item belts how they to install it unless they see it while they are doing it. Let me just make it to focus again. And that's it. I'm trying a new camera, and because of that, I hope if anything goes wrong, you can forgive my new camera. And this is when it's open, it looks like this. There is a single screw here, and these two red and gray cables, they have to be desoldered. And some people, they desolder this, that is the ribbon cable for the motor, and you have to be very careful to avoid damaging this. But some people, they say it's not necessary to do that. You just untangle this and get rid of this black sticker, and everything falls away, and then you can have access to the motor. That's it. And unfortunately, as I mentioned, I cannot play a video, a song with this, because it doesn't work. And the radio as well, the radio is again, it doesn't function well. I can demonstrate it to you. And this one is not like the other digital. It takes one of these batteries, gum stick batteries, and the radio, it comes on like so, and then when you press play or whatever, it doesn't display here that is playing or rewinding or, you know, fast forwarding or cueing music or auto reverse, nothing. It's just for this AM and FM, and it has, I think, you know, some preset radio channel for both AM and FM radio. And that's really it. Anyhow, it's such a shame again that this item doesn't work properly. And until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time. Oops, the price of this item is going between £45 up to, some people in this condition, they are selling it for over £60, maybe £90 if it's working. But as these are old, this one is made in 80s or end of the 80s. So because of that is using those capacitors. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time again.